In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add music to WhatsApp status. Let's get started. First up, update your WhatsApp. So launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app WhatsApp. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then launch your WhatsApp, navigate to the Updates tab, then click on this pencil icon given over here to add status. Now select the background. You can select video, photo, text. For this video, I'm gonna select photo. Once you have selected the background, now at the top you're gonna find different icon. You'll need to click on this music kind of icon. With that, you'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find tons of music option. From here, you can select any of the music. Just scroll down and go through the music, or also you can search for it. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Once you have selected the music, now from here you are able to select the particular part of the lyrics of the music to set in your status. Likewise, you can select the template. Now place it. Likewise, you are also able to use other features of WhatsApp status. And once you do that, you can upload it. So this way you are able to add music to WhatsApp status. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.